Welcome to MedicoApp's PDF Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this clinical question from General Medicine, and it was asked in the year 2024. Question was patient complaints of bleeding gum. On examination, there was hepatosplenomegaly, sternal tenderness, pancytopenia, very important, and they're asking for the diagnosis. Options given were aplastic anemia, acute leukemia, sickle cell anemia, and ITP, that is idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to roll out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now, the correct answer for this question is acute leukemia. Now, let's see the symptoms, or you can say clinical features of acute leukemia. So, what is acute leukemia? Acute leukemia is blood cancer where there is rapid proliferation of abnormal WBCs, which will lead to several manifestations. For example, petechiae formation, then there will be bleeding gums, pancytopenia, hepatosplenomegaly, all those things they were mentioned in the question. So here you can just list the symptoms. Petechiae or small red spots on the skin will be there. Bone will become tender, especially the sternum. Again, this was mentioned in the question. Anemia will be there. Night sweat will be there. Bleeding tendency or hemorrhagic tendency. And similarly, patient will complain of bleeding gums as well. Then fatigue and fever, swollen lymph node. Again, this was mentioned in the question. Enlarged spleen, kidney and liver. Hepatomegaly was mentioned in the question. Then pain in joints and bone and loss of weight. All these things they are pointing out towards the diagnosis of, you can say, acute leukemia. Now, why it is not aplastic anemia? In aplastic anemia, there could be pancytopenia, but there will be no hepatomegaly. And in cases of sickle cell anemia, again, there will be no pancytopenia. Similarly, in cases of ITP, there will be no pancytopenia. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is acute leukemia. In aplastic anemia, pancytopenia will be there, but hepatosplenomegaly will not be there. Again, in sickle cell anemia and ITP, there will be some similar features, but pancytopenia will not be there, right? So, the correct diagnosis is the acute leukemia.